Struggling to maintain a clean, healthy aquarium environment? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Orlushy DC4000 Silent Pump. The Orlushy DC4000 Silent Swirl Controllable DC Aquarium Pump caught my eye with its promise of ultra-quiet operation and user-friendly features, priced at $59.99. If you want a reliable option that won't disrupt your peaceful aquarium vibes, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this pump is its incredible quietness. Adopting sine wave technology, it operates silently, making it perfect for indoor setups where noise can be disruptive. With a maximum flow rate of 1,050 GPH, or gallons per hour, it accommodates a variety of fish tank sizes. The adjustable speeds, 20 settings, and 3 modes, constant flow, wave, and feed mode, mean you can customize the water movement to suit your fish. This flexibility is crucial for creating a natural habitat for your aquatic pets. Plus, it's safe for both fresh and saltwater, which is a big plus. Now, some users have complained about the pump being tricky to install initially. Here's the thing though. Once you get it set up, the performance is stellar, and the quiet operation makes it well worth the effort. If you're someone who values peace in your home, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller tank or you're just starting out and want something reliable without a lot of noise. Skip this one if you need a pump for a larger aquarium, as its flow rate might not suffice for big setups. For the price, it offers great value for a quality product. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Orlushy DC12000 Pump. The Orlushy DC12000, a powerhouse of a pump priced at $99.99. If you need serious performance in a larger aquarium, this one deserves your attention. With a maximum flow rate of 3,100 GPH, this pump ensures your tank stays clean and well circulated, which is crucial for maintaining water quality. The sine wave technology guarantees ultra-silent operation, so it won't interfere with your peaceful surroundings. Plus, it offers 20 different speed settings, allowing you to precisely control the flow and adapt it to your tank's needs. The various modes, including wave mode and feed mode, can help mimic natural water conditions. However, a few users noted that it can be a bit bulky compared to other options. But let's be real, that size comes with the benefit of powerful performance, making it ideal for larger tanks. If you have a spacious aquarium and want a pump that can handle it all, this minor inconvenience won't matter much. This is perfect for serious aquarium enthusiasts with larger tanks who are looking for high performance. Skip this one if you're setting up a small tank, as the power might be overkill. For the capabilities it offers, the price is justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a balance of power and size. Product number 3, Orlushy DC5000 Pump. The Orlushy DC5000 Silent Swirl is another excellent choice, priced at $64.99. If you're after a mid-range option that balances power with efficiency, this is worth checking out. This pump delivers a solid maximum flow rate of 1,320 GPH, which is great for medium-sized tanks. Like its siblings, it features sine wave technology for quiet operation, ensuring you won't be disturbed by the sound. The 20 adjustable speed settings and 3 operational modes give you the flexibility to create the optimal environment for your aquatic life. Plus, with a low voltage of 24V, it's very energy efficient, which is a win for your electricity bill. However, some users found the build quality slightly lacking compared to higher-end models. But here's the thing, for the price and the performance, it provides good value, especially for hobbyists who don't want to break the bank. This is perfect for you if you have a mid-sized aquarium and want quiet operation without compromising on water flow. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end performance pump for very large tanks. For the cost, it strikes a nice balance between functionality and price. Now, if you want something even more versatile, let's check out our next option. Product number 4, the Hygger Water Pump. The Hygger water pump is a versatile choice priced at $55.99. If you're looking for a pump that can adapt to multiple uses, this one stands out. This pump isn't just a return pump, it can also function as a wave maker and circulation pump. With a maximum flow rate of 3,430 GPH, it can handle a variety of applications from aquariums to ponds. What's cool is the external controller that lets you adjust the flow with 10 different speed settings and 3 modes for different situations. This kind of flexibility is perfect for creating the right conditions for your fish. One downside is that it is bulkier than some other options, which might be a concern for smaller setups. But here's the deal. If you need a pump that works for various environments, this is an excellent choice, and the size is just a trade-off for its versatility. This is perfect if you have multiple types of aquatic setups and want a single pump that can do it all. Skip this if you're only focused on a small aquarium, as it may take up more space than you'd like. Given its multifunctional use, it offers great bang for your buck. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for smaller tanks, the next product is tailored just for you. Product number 5, Jekod DCP 2500 Pump. We have the Jekod DCP 2500, priced competitively at $57.51. If you need a reliable pump for a smaller aquarium, this could be your best bet. With a maximum flow rate of 660 GPH, it's designed for smaller fish tanks and provides excellent circulation without overwhelming your aquatic life. It operates super quietly, ensuring that your tank environment stays peaceful. The energy-efficient motor not only saves on power, but also has a memory function, which is a neat feature if the power goes out. It remembers its last setting. However, some customers have reported issues with the hose fittings being a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get that sorted, it performs really well and is a solid choice for small tanks. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller aquarium and want a quiet, efficient pump. Skip this if you need a powerful pump for a larger setup, as it simply won't meet those demands. For the price and functionality, it's a smart investment for small tank owners. So there you have it, 5 excellent aquarium return pumps catering to different needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Orlushy DC 12000 because it offers the best performance for larger setups at a reasonable price. The one to avoid would be the Hygger water pump if you're simply looking for a basic aquarium pump, as its versatility may not be necessary for everyone.